Now let's add the hair. Find the middle of the head, and right there you will start adding your hair. So you're going to feed in 12-inch strands of yarn through individual stitches. You're going to continue to feed the strands down the hairline, and you can mark this with a pen or just use the ears to give you an idea. Here's what it would look like once it's done, and you're just basically feeding it again from the top to the bottom. So you're going to take your crochet hook and take your yarn, and you're going to really just feed half of it, and then make sure that the two ends are aligned and match, and just keep doing that. Now you only need to do the outer portion of it. You're not going to have to do it completely. So once you have it like around, that's good enough. You just finger brush the hair upward in order to create a ponytail, and you can get yourself either a little rubber band, one of those tiny hair rubber bands, or a strand of yarn, and make a tie real up high on the top of the head of the doll and create a little bun just like this, see? And stretch it out so that it looks the way you want it to. And then optional, you can add a bow to your doll if you want. Real easy to match her little cupcake skirt and shirt. And then personally, I kind of added some blush again to her cheeks if you want to, and a little button on the top. And I just use some sample blush that was given to me and a little Q-tip. It's real easy. Put as much as you want or as little, and then I tie a matching strand of yarn around the neck. Kind of gives the doll a little more definition, and I really think it looks good. So you make 2 knots, and then you cut that working yarn off, and you are done with your little dolly. Almost. Optional, you can add an extra strand of hair if you like. I thought this gave her kind of a little cute looky going on, and then just cut your working yarn to the size that you want. I thought this was perfect, and my baby doll is done. And here's a sneak peek of the next doll project, so stay tuned.